Your password is probably garbage, and hackers know it. Right now, automated tools are scanning millions of accounts every minute, and weak passwords fall in under 3 seconds. Here are the password mistakes that make it embarrassingly easy for hackers to break into your accounts. Mistake number 1, using personal information, your name, birthday, pet's name, or hometown. Hackers don't guess these randomly. They check your social media first, then try every combination. You've already told them the answer. Mistake number 2, reusing the same password everywhere. One data breach and every single account you own is compromised. Your email, your bank, your everything. One password should never open more than one door. Mistake number 3, short passwords. Every character you add makes your password exponentially harder to crack. 8 characters can be broken in minutes. 12 characters takes years. Length is your strongest weapon. Mistake number 4, never changing your passwords. Data breaches happen silently. Your password could already be circulating on the dark web right now, and you'd have no idea. Mistake number 5, not using two-factor authentication. Even if a hacker gets your password, two-factor authentication stops them completely. It is the single most powerful security tool available, and it is completely free. Here's what you need to do. Go to haveibeenpwned.com right now and check if your email has already been compromised. If it has, change every password today. Use a password manager like Bitwarden. It's free and takes 5 minutes to set up. Your accounts are only as strong as your weakest password. Don't make it easy for them. If this was helpful, smash that subscribe button. Because next video, we are exposing exactly how scammers steal your Gmail account and lock you out permanently. Stay safe, stay threat-proof.